Derechahan! Walang paligoy-ligoy.
Ang patakaran ba na ginawa ni NBI Director Matibag ay legal o illegal?
Abangan ngayong gabi sa SMNI.
Of course, when it comes to the Constitution, it's very clear that only a local court can issue a warrant.
Ang maiinit na talakayan.
Under the Rome Statute, Article 59 is very specific. It says that if there is an ICC warrant executed in a jurisdiction such as, for instance, the Philippines, then the first step would be for the arresting officer to bring the accused to a competent judicial authority. Wording of Article 59 is very specific. Competent judicial authority, not executive authority like the DOJ.
Walang uurungan.
Makakasama sa programa ni Attorney Rowena Guanzon at Ms. Cathy Binag si Dr. Melissa Loa, isang PhD ng Public International Law, upang talakayin ang usaping legal at ang jurisdiksyon ng International Criminal Court sa Pilipinas.
Walang iiwasan.
Ibig sabihin, dalhin mo sa court, ha? NBI Director Matibag, dahil number one, sasabihin ng court, nasaan ang warrant ng ICC? Ang ginawa nila, hinabol nila ng hinabol, no crime was being committed.
Walang paligoy-ligoy. Sa totoo lang, ang usapang derechahan para sa bawat Pilipino.
I would question the authority of the NBI, for instance, to disburse public funds in pursuant to the treaty na hindi na tayo bound.
Yun!
We have no obligation
Exactly.
under that.
They're using public funds.
Yeah, tama.
Ngayong gabi, pagkatapos ng SMNI News Blast.